Hi students, good morning. Previous class we have discussed two methods: integration of dx by ax square plus bx plus c, and one more, integration of dx by square root of x square plus bx plus c. These two types we have discussed in the previous class. Once again I am explaining. If it is this form, this is converted in the form of either x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus a square. If it is this form, convert into this root of x square plus a square, root of x square minus a square or root of a square minus a square. Okay, 6 formulas. For this without root, this is with root. There are 600 formulas there. Integration of 1 by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus c. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Integration of 1 by under root of a square minus x square, sin inverse x by a. Integration of 1 by under root of x square plus a square, log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Similarly, integration of 1 by root of x square minus a square equal to log of x plus root of x square minus a square. These are all formulas from the beginning. What I have discussed, write to white sheet, paste your home. Whenever you feel, you can by hand. Because if you neglect formulas, you can't get the idea to solve the integration. To get idea, you need standard formulas. So, how much you know the standard formulas, that much idea you get. If you don't know that, can't get ideas. So, be careful. All formulas from the beginning: integration of trigonometric odd functions, integration of sec x, cosec x, integration of 1 by x, all standard formulas. Write in white sheet and keep it in pocket. And whenever you feel, go to that. Daily, at least 2 times you repeat these formulas. Then only you can able to understand the problems. Because if you don't know formula, next step you can't get it. Right? And methods. Methods, if it is this form, strictly you follow that method only. So methods, steps also you should remember. If it is this form also same. Yesterday, previous class you have discussed. Now third method. To find the integral, numerator 1. Now the numerator is linear function px plus q dx by ax square plus bx plus c. See, what is the difference of this method and this method? Here numerator is constant. 1, 2, 3, 4, constant numerator. But here numerator is not constant, variable, but which is linear function. Means degree should be 1. More than 1 not possible. This method is not applicable. More than 1. For example, integration of x square by 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Is it contained in this formula? No, because the numerator degree 2, the degree 1. If x is there, it will contain this formula? Yes. What is the p? 1. What is the q? 0. Like this. Okay? Strictly we should follow the problem. By doing the problem, what is the method of this? We should follow the algorithm. What is the rule of this? That steps we should follow. So by doing the problem, check it which method it contains. So you follow that method. Then easily. Is it integration of 1 by x square plus 3x dx? Which method it contains? First method. If it is 2, first only, plus 2 we can take 1. If it is x, third. If it is x plus 5, third. Okay? If 2x not there, only 5 will be there. First. Integration of x plus 5 by x minus 3 dx. Is it first method? No. second method? No. Third method? No. It's not that form. Yes. Now third method versus the steps. If it is this form, steps. First one, this numerator px plus q, numerator is equal to a into a, some constant, d by dx of denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus some constant b, or we can write denominator here. Denominator. D always denominator. N always numerator. Tell me the numerator. Numerator px plus q equal to a into d by dx of denominator ax square plus bx plus c plus constant b. This is the first step. Because we have to split to find integration. The getting idea is this. When it is this form, the numerator will be this form. Let's find a and b. A and b how can find? By equating the coefficient of x square, x constant. See, px plus q equal to a into d by dx of x square plus bx plus c to ax plus b plus b. Now equating the constant first, coefficient of x. Tell me the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x on both the left side is b, right side is 2a. We need capital A. The capital A is equal to p by 2. P by 2. Next, constant. Compare constant. What is the constant here? Left side q, right side ab plus b. We want b, so b is equal to q minus ab, which is equal to q minus a pb by 2b. This is capital A value, capital B value. This is step 1. Okay, for it. Next, step 1 is the numerator is equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b, and by equating the coefficients of x and constant, we get capital A and capital B. Constants will be used. This a and b are stood here and place bx plus q, replace bx plus q, this one. This value is obtained in this place. Okay. Second step. Step 2. Integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx equal to. Tell me px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Numerator plus this value. And divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx. Now splitting this part by this plus this by this, easily we can find integration. A constant integration d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c by ax square plus bx plus c dx, this by this, plus integration of b constant, we can write out by 1 by ax square, this by this, ax square plus bx plus c dx. This derivative is there. This derivative is there. This derivative, denominator derivative in the numerator, what is the answer? Log of f of x. Integration of f dash x by f of x is log of f of x. Don't forget, or be careful, the denominator is there, log of ax square plus bx plus c. Finish this integration plus b. This is proceed method 1. Proceed method 1. This method 1 means convert into x square plus a square or x square minus a square or x square minus x square. Yes, where a and b substitute here. Here you get a and b. That this is the steps to solve the integration of bx plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. So this is here a b also you can get direct by using this formula. But you should remember the formula. Without solving also you can write it without comparing, but you should remember this formulas. Okay, are you following? So by comparing also we can, by fastness you will get it, but memory power, if you have less memory, it's very difficult to remember this formula. A is equal to b by 2a and b is equal to q minus ab by 2a. It's very easy also, but you are wish. Okay, I won't like it to by hand this step because many formulas again by handing this difficult. But for all the problems, same a and b formula. P is equal to a is equal to b by 2a. P means coefficient of x and a means coefficient of x square. B is equal to q. Q is constant minus pb. Pb you know x coefficient, b means x coefficient denominator by 2e. A is coefficient of x square. Okay. Integration x plus 2 dx by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Is it contain third method? Yes. Px plus qy ax square plus dx plus c. In the step 1, numerator is x plus 2. Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b. Numerator tell me x plus 2. A denominator is 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b constant x plus 2. Apply differentiation here. d by dx of denominator. Tell me d by dx of denominator. 4x plus 6 plus b. This is the equation 1. Let's find a and b. By equating coefficient of x and constant, we get the a and b. Tell me the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, left side is 1, right side is 4. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 4. Next, constant, left side is 2, right side is 6a plus b. So 2 is equal to 6 by 4 it is. 6 by 4 plus b. b is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. Here you can use formulas. What is the formula to get a shortcut? I am writing in the bracket. A is equal to formula p by 2e, where p is x coefficient 1 by 2a, x coefficient is x square coefficient is 2. So answer is 1 by 2. B constant formula q minus pb by 2e. Q 2 minus p. P is how much? 1 by b 6. 6 by 2a. A is 2. 2 into 4. 3 by 2 becomes 1 by 9. After this, your wish. Theory, you can do compare coefficient of x or constant, but competitive, you may need these formulas. That is your wish. I don't like to buy this type of questions. Okay, that is your wish. That's why even though I am doing that. Okay, if you are capable to memorize, you have more memory, then you can buy these also. A and B. Okay, my choice instead of using this also not a lot of difference. Just 10 second difference comes. Okay, but you will be free. But you can't remember this lifelong. But this comparing coefficient of x constant you can remember. That is your wish. Anyway, you can write both ways and you will do the same thing. But by writing this, you should write the formula p by 2a and q minus p by 2a. Right? Now, first, this numerator substitute the integration of x plus 2 dx by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to. Tell me x plus 2 equal to. This is a. A already we have got it. Substituting that a. Okay, like that substitute here. A into 4x plus 6 plus b by 2x square plus 6x plus 5x. A into 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5dx plus b 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Where a is equal to 1 by 4. Integration 4x plus 6y 2x square plus 6x plus 1 dx. B 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by 2 take common here, or I can solve here like that 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Yes. Now you see this denominator derivatives really have the log. Then you have to simplify this. Okay. This is equal to 1 by 4 log of 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Before that, this also you have to simplify. Anytime you have to apply integration. Now I am going to simplify this. This is the sum of first one. Consider 2x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 2 take common x square plus 3x plus 5 by 2. Correct? 2 into a square plus 2ax. B how much? 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2. So 2 into a square plus 2ab plus b square x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. So 2 into x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 plus, sorry, LCM is 4. LCM is 4 minus 9 plus 10. Minus 9 plus 10, 1 by 2. 2 into x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square. This you can do rough also, you can substitute here direct also. Next step, 1 by 4 integration 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx plus 1 by 2 dx by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to, this is 2 comes here 4. Tell me, x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus plus 1 by 2 whole square. Here we can write x plus 3 by 2 equal to t. Then tell me this integration is 1 by 4. This differentiation is there here. Log of denominator 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 by 4. This you can write direct also. Instead of taking every time x plus 3 by 2 equal to t, instead of taking that, direct you can use formula integration of dx by x square plus a square formula 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, where x is this, a is this, 1 by 2. Substitute direct 1 by a means 1 by 2. Tan inverse of x means x plus 3 by 2 by a 1 by 2. Like this also we can write direct. Instead of taking x plus 3 by 2 equal to, okay, 1 by 4 log of 2x square plus 6x plus 5 is get cancelled here. 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2x plus 3 by 2 get cancelled plus 6. This is answer. Form only 7.4, exercise 7.4, 18th question. 13, 14 are different models, 30 exercise. You have discussed up to 15. 16, 17 the next method. Now by using this method, 18, 5x minus 2 by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square dx. Is it contain third method? Px plus 2, where p is 5, q is minus 2, a 3, b 2 plus 2. So tell me the numerator 5x minus 2 equal to a into d by dx of denominator 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. This is the first step. 5x minus 2 a 3x square differentiation 6x plus 2 plus b. This is the equation 1. Let find a and b. Tell me 6a equal to 5. Then a is equal to 5 by 6. Constant 2a plus b equal to minus 2. So 2a 2 into a is 5 by 6 plus b equal to minus 2. Get cancelled. B is equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3. Minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 by 3. Substitute that from 1 5x minus 2 equal to, tell me, 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 plus b minus 11 by 3. This is substituted equation. Numerator replaced by this integration of 5x minus 2 dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 5x minus 2 equal to this is 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 minus 11 by 3 into dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Splitting here 5 by 6 integration of 6x plus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. This by this splitting. Because directly if you split, no, you can't get the integration. This is way you can't get it. That's why to get the integration, this is numerator. If you make this form, we can simplify easily and integration will be exist. Okay? Minus 11 by 3. That's the problem wise one method is there. There is no for one sequence method. For differentiation, u by v is applicable for all the u by v problems. But here not like that. See, first method also u by v, second method also u by v, third method also u by v. But problems are different. Okay, problem wise method is there. That is keep in mind. There is no unique method for the integration. Okay, problem wise we should identify. The problem contains which method, that first identify. Then practice. Okay. Now 11 by 3, 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This differentiation is there. Tell me log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 integration of dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. This is proceed method 1. We have to simplify this. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 3 take common. X square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. 3x square plus 2ax. B how much? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 3 into a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 2. So 3 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square. LCM is 9. Here we get 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So plus 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Correct? That we are writing in this place. So 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus minus 11 by 3 integration dx by 3x square in place of this 11 by 3 3 9 into x plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 by 9 can I write this root 2 by 3 whole square Which form it contain? X square plus a square. Formula 1 by a tan inverse of x. So 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 9. Tell me 1 by a root 2 by 3 tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 by root 2 by 3 plus c. Simple. Here get cancel 3. Okay, 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. You see, if it is comes in competitive, how we can identify? You see that is a question. This is a question. Yes? Okay, they will give options. If this type of problems, if the answer is always a into log of denominator. What the denominator is? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b into, this is the difference. Okay, a we can find. What is a equal formula? P by 2. So you will get 5 by 6. Up to this we can observe it. Next, b constant and this we should find. Okay, by seeing the options, 4 options. Okay, only one option, if it is there, that option you can go. If 2 options are coincide, this a first log of x plus bx plus 1, then go for find this. This is by method 1. Okay.